Let's go, let's go. Bigger. I think onions probably need to get watered a little more. I don't know, they're not as big as I expected. They are green onions.
look guys, out of all the onions that were placed right there, this is all of them. Pretty tired. I left some in the ground. I'm probably gonna leave them there just so if I do grow anything else right here, it will have some type of base, like a funk type of smell for the bugs, and some bugs wouldn't come right here just off the onion smell. But look at all the stuff that I harvested. That is a lot of onions. There's so many onions. What I'm thinking about doing is putting some of my flowers right there, but I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. But yeah, pretty so much done with the harvest of the onions. Probably try to pull up some little ones that I can in there, but I'm gonna leave some. And I'm gonna flip this dirt over, and I'll get back to y'all once I transplant something right there, or I don't know, man. Let's see. But the video is not done right here. We still working, and I just want to get back to this. But I'm gonna flip the dirt a little bit, and I'll see y'all soon. Sorry about that game, man, but I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't have no battery charge, and I'm just gonna finish it. But I'll show you guys hopefully in the next video. You guys see what's going on, see why the onions are gone.